Welcome. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set up the custom graphic settings in Battlefield 6. So enjoy watching this short tutorial. As the first step, you should click here on the gear icon to open the settings. Now move to the graphics tab and scroll down. Not scroll down, on the top you can see the graphics. You can click here. And if you choose the custom one, then you will be able to set up a lot of video settings, such as textures, mesh, terrain quality, effects, volumetric, shadows, everything that you can do here. Then you will be able to adjust it to your own needs. If you choose it to Ultra, then remember that all of the settings will be set up to the maximum amount, and you can see it here. And we have a video memory usage for GPU. I have 12 gigabytes of RAM, then it's enough for me to play on ultra settings and still have lots of memory left. Then I can set it to the maximum level and don't mind of the custom settings. But if you have less memory and worse PC, then you can set up these custom settings to your preferences. You can decide if you want to use better textures and I don't know, less shadow filtering, and adjust your settings in a way that you can play smooth and without any lags, hangs, or I don't know, less amount of FPSs. You should do it for yourself. You should read all about the available options here and decide which one is good for you and which is not, which one you want to see in a better quality and which one you want to be on the low quality. I think the best option to have is, of course, the textures to the highest level. The volumetric and lighting is also good because it increases the experience while playing this game. The FX quality is also important. Something like terrain, mesh and undergrowth quality can be set up to the lower amount to save some memory. Post-process quality is also can be set up to the lowest amount. It saves a lot of memory usage. You should customize it to your own needs. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.